Bucknell got a Growing Greener grant from DEP to do a restoration of the Miller Run Creek. So the work that we're doing is to collect very high resolution elevation data that can be used by faculty like Dwayne Griffin, Carl Kirby, Rich Crago, Ben Hayes to create an actual restoration plan.
This data is then going to be used to build a whole bunch of wetlands that'll be out here to slow the flow and allow different pollutants and contaminants to fall out. So hopefully the water that ends up in Bucknell will end up being a lot cleaner and nicer and prettier and more environmentally friendly.
The students are out doing two different tasks. Right now we're doing a task with a robotic total station.
This one is a laser that's on a rotating tripod, and it's going to be sending out a laser that's going to reflect off these prisms up here. And it then records the laser in a sensor, the reflection back, and by looking at the angle and measuring the time it takes between sending out a laser and getting it back, it gets a precise location within about 2 millimeters of elevation and spatial reference.
So that crew is going around collecting point measurements that are of interest. For example, pipes, where pipes emerge from the ground, is a point source that we're interested in. The other crew that is using the GPS system is actually doing more of the continuous topo, or just trying to map the topography of the surface of the Earth.
And we'll have a similar setup to this, where there'll actually be a stationary GPS unit and a separate mobile GPS unit that will be going around, and we'll use the two together to get slightly less accurate data in terms of precision, but in terms of where it is on the globe, it can actually be more accurate.
That'll be used to determine where water will flow as precipitation would fall.
And that'll help us survey the land so we can decide how much we can look at it, we can project what kind of construction we want to do on the ground to help get more water in the Miller Run.